Herkese merhabalar. Ben Mimar Ezgi Gerçek Karadeniz. Bugün İstanbul Bahçeli Evler Yayla'da bulunan Parla Hair Makeup projemizin teslimini gerçekleştirmiş bulunmaktayız. Yaklaşık 250 metrekarelik bir alan 3 ayrı bölümden oluşmakta. Saç ve makyaj alanı, gelinlik showroom ve bright odası. Projelerinizde sizlere yardımcı olmaktan mutluluk duyarız.
Heard you found somebody new. Looks like goodbye's been good to you. Good days are gone, and I can't move on quite as easy as you do. Looks like goodbye's been good to you. I've been hurting since you walked out the door. Nothing's working like the way it did before. Oh, I cry, oh, I cry, oh, I pray a little to the Lord. Oh, I try, but it only makes me miss you more. You took the dog in the Honda and half my shit. Kinda mad that my mama, cause y'all still friends. I gotta move, so I never gotta see you again.